Hello dear guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. Well, it's daily cipher time right here. Let's dive into it. Okay, so today's code is swap. We start with dot 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 for the S, for the letter S, dot dot dot. So you tap 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 3 times and you get your S. The second letter is dot dash dash. Remember, to create a dash you just need to long press and release. That's how to create a dash. So dot dash dash, you tap on your screen, you long press, you release, you long press, you release, and you get your W. Now to get the A is dot dash. You tap, you long press, and you release. And the last letter is dot dash dash dot. Dot dash dash dot. And that's the code cracked. Alright. Bedtime, eh? I thank you for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please drop a like. Smash that like button like tomorrow, like there is no tomorrow. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not subscribed yet. Turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified once I've uploaded a video like this. And stay tuned for tomorrow's daily combo. Turn on that bell notification. Cheers and peace out.